Claude gives you 3 different places to tell it how to work: custom instructions, projects, and skills. They sound like the same thing, so most people pick one at random and wonder why it does not stick. There is a rule: it takes 90 seconds to learn. Here is why this is confusing. All 3 do the same job on the surface. You write something down once and Claude follows it later. The difference is not what they say, it is when Claude reads them. One is read every single time, one is read while you are in a certain place, one is read only when your request matches. Get that straight and the choice makes itself. Custom instructions: read every single time in every conversation. This is the right place for who you are and how you like things. Call me by my first name, write in British English. Never open with a compliment. Give me the answer before the explanation. 2 rules for this box: keep it short. It is loaded into every message you ever sent, so every line you add is a small tax on everything. And keep it to preferences, not procedures. If you write a 10-step process in here, Claude will drag that process into conversations where it makes no sense. You will be fighting it by Thursday. Preferences here, procedures somewhere else. Projects: read while you are inside that project. A project is a room. You put documents in it and you write instructions on the wall. Everything you say inside that room can see both. This is the right place for one body of work: a client, a code base, a book you are writing, the style guide, the brand rules, the 12 reference documents, the context you would otherwise re-explain every morning. The catch is the room. Walk out of it into a normal chat and none of it applies. That surprises people. They put their writing style into a project, then wonder why Claude forgot it everywhere else. If you need it in one world only, a project is exactly right. Skills: read only when your request matches the label. A skill is a procedure with a trigger on it. You describe when it should fire and Claude watches for that. Ask for a weekly report, the report skill wakes up. Ask about anything else, it stays asleep and costs you nothing. 2 things make skills different from the other 2. They travel. A skill works in any chat, in any project, on any device where it is installed. It is not stuck in a room, and they can carry weight. Not just instructions, but files, templates, scripts, things a paragraph of text cannot do. Procedures live here, the specific repeatable job you do again and again. So here is the rule. 3 questions in this order. First, should this apply to everything you ever ask, forever? Your name, your language, how blunt you want the answer. Yes, custom instructions. Stop there. Second, does it belong to one specific world, one client, one product, one manuscript with its own documents? Yes. Project. Put the files in the room and write the instructions on the wall. Third, is it a job you repeat that should fire on a certain kind of request and stay quiet otherwise? Yes. Skill. And if you cannot answer the first 2 with a clear yes, it is almost always a skill. That is the default people should reach for and usually do not. One thing people miss: these are not 3 options, they stack. Right now, in a single message, all 3 can be working at once. Your custom instructions set the voice, the project supplies the documents, a skill runs the procedure, none of them cancel the others. So the question is never which one to use, it is which layer this particular thing belongs on. The 3 mistakes I see, in order of how often: a procedure stuffed into custom instructions, a writing style locked inside one project, and a skill built for something you actually want every single time. Go and look at your custom instructions right now. If there is a numbered process sitting in there, that is a skill wearing the wrong coat. Move it and both stop fighting each other. Which of the 3 were you using wrong?